I have given 9 more problems. Do work it out. Note it down and do work it out. You should get all right answers without any mistake. You need to solve. So I told you now I will give many problems till you feel comfortable. I won't leave you. Once my class is over, syllogism, you all must be thorough with the syllogism. No need for any practice later too. That much questions I will give and I will make you more comfortable. So do solve these 9 problems and let me know the answer. I have explained in detailed manner. So previously first 6 questions also I haven't mentioned like this. Here I don't want to take any risk, so that is the reason I have given in detail explanation. So hope everybody has solved this anyway. So we will check each one by one answers. 7th one, no brown is blue, some blue is pink. Is it been properly aligned? What is the meaning of proper alignment? There must be a common term. The common term must be predicate of the first statement and subject of the second statement or last statement, which will be eliminated in the final conclusion. You will be left with the subject of the first statement as the subject, predicate of the last statement as the predicate based on 6 rules. What are all those 6 rules? A plus A is A plus E is E, I plus A is I plus E is O, E plus A is O star, E plus I is O star. Now it is E plus I, O star. It is been properly aligned. Predicate of the first statement and subject of the second statement as a common term. Now O star means O reverse. So we are going from back to front directly. O means some brown is not pink. Subject and predicate of O will be reversed, means some pink is not brown. So directly we are going from back to front. Some pink is not brown is the answer. Clear? So coming to next one, I plus E. What is I plus E? O. Is it been properly aligned? Yes, properly aligned. Now I plus E is O. O means what you will be getting? Some yellow is not dark. Some yellow is not dark. So next one, 9th one, all violet is indigo, all indigo is green. It's a basic one. First example I have given like this. A plus A is A only. What is the answer you are going to get? All violet is green only. Next one, 10th one, E plus A is O star means O reverse. Is it been properly aligned? Yes, common term is there, predicate of the first statement and subject of the second statement, which will be eliminated in the conclusion. You will be left with subject of the first statement as the subject, predicate of the last statement as the predicate based on 6 rules. But E plus A is O star. Once you get O, that has to be subject and predicate to be interchanged. That is the reason whenever O star is there, we are going from back to front directly. Some gold is not pink. Some gold is not pink. Clear? So next one, some brown is blue, all blue is yellow. I plus A is I means some brown is yellow directly. I don't think so you need any explanation. Clear? Next one, 12th one, all black is orange, no orange is grey. What is A plus E? E means no black is grey. Is it been properly aligned? Yes. So that is the reason we are directly going ahead with the rule. A plus E is E, no black is grey. 13th one, all Y is Z, all M is Z. So what is the conclusion? No conclusion. You remember what I told? Both A statements common term as predicate. You will never get a conclusion based on 6 rules. Even after learning a second stage, immediate inferences also. So as discussed, sir, conversion, these things and all, there none. Even conversions, whatever you apply, but whenever both A statements common term as predicate, you will never get a conclusion. But both A statements common term as subject, we do have a conclusion that I told you clearly, which I am going to explain later once we finish it of the second stage, immediate inferences. We will come back to those questions, we will solve each one by one. Clear? So come to next one, 14th. Yes, all K is G, all K is R. So again, common term as subject. So as of now we are saying no conclusion, but we do have a conclusion. Remember, both A statements common term as subject, we do have a conclusion. Since we are going ahead with the rule based one first, as of now we are saying no conclusion. But both A statements common term as predicate, you will never get a conclusion. Even you learn the second stage, immediate inferences, but we cannot find out the conclusion for both A statements common term as predicate. It must be registered in your minds. Clear? The last one, again we put a into mark saying that no conclusion. Why? Because there is no common term at all. If there is a common term, E plus A is O star, so we would have got the answer. Since there is no common term, so we are saying that no conclusion. Clear? I am going to give another 9 questions, so you are going to solve the problem. I mentioned 16 to 24. Do note it down, and you need to solve all the problems without any mistake. Of course, you will get doubts in some of the problems. I will let you know how to solve such type of problems also. We are going ahead with next stage, so which we haven't discussed. So those questions also we will discuss now. Some rules we need to add it, that has been done here. So I will let you know later how to solve such problems. Anyway, try it out, see that whether you can able to find out the answer or not. Clear? So cleanly note it down, and you need to solve the problems. I hope you solved all the problems from 16 to 24, and I am not sure about 22 and 24. So exclusively 22 and 24 I just kept as it is. I need to see, and I told you some other formulas are there, some other rules are there, so that will be added up and in moving forward. So all these things you need to learn, right? So what formula here it will come, so what rule extra here it will come, how to solve such a problems we will discuss now. So before that one, we will check the answers from 16 to till 21, and later I will go ahead with the 22 and 24. Of course 23 also we already solved. First 16th one, E plus I, it's been properly aligned. Common term is there, predicate of the first statement, subject of the second statement. E plus I is O star. O star means O reverse. We need to go back to front. Some brown is not pink. Is it right? So hope you got it right. Next one, 17th one, some green is yellow, all yellow is violet. I plus A is I, and some green is violet. Clear? Next one, 18th one, all violet is blue, some blue is orange. It is been properly aligned. But what is A plus I? No conclusion. I plus A is not equal to A plus I. Kindly remember. Clear? So though it is been properly aligned, A plus I gives no conclusion. So we go ahead with the 19th. Some P is Q, no Q is C. What is I plus E? O. I plus E is O. What is O? Some P is not C. Some P is not C. So no doubts, I think, right? So 20th one, no M is N, some N is not E. I just put cross mark. Why? Because this is O statement. So you can go through our rules. So we don't have any rule starting with O. So that is the reason. E plus O, there is no conclusion. Only conclusions we are having O, but not with the starting two statements. There is no O at all. 20th one, this is not E plus I, this is E plus O. E plus O, no conclusion. Simply you can conclude no conclusion. So that is the reason I just put a cross mark. Here don't get confused. If you put E plus I, it will be O star. So that is the reason I just put underline here to just remind you. Clear? So we will go ahead with the next one, 21. Of course, no more explanation. Both A statements, common term as predicate. You will never get a conclusion based on 6 rules. 22, all green is blue, some white is green. Actually A plus I gives no conclusion, but is it properly aligned? No, it's not properly aligned. But can you make proper alignment? How can you make proper alignment? By interchanging the statements you can make a proper alignment. If you interchange the statements, how it look like? It will be I plus A. Whether you will be having a rule for I plus A, whether you have rule for I plus A, what is I plus A? I means, what is the answer you are going to get? Some white is blue. That means, can we do interchange? Yes, you can make interchange. Not subject and predicate, not subject and predicate. Two statements, any statement you can interchange and make proper alignment. Now see the new rule. So what we learned, so in order to find out the conclusion between two or more statements, the statements must be properly aligned. What does alignment means? There must be a common term. The common term must be predicate of the first statement and subject of the second statement or last statement, which will be eliminated in the final conclusion. Suppose the statements are not properly aligned, what else you can do? You can make proper alignment. Remember, you can make proper alignment by interchanging any one of the statements, or by converting any one of the statements, or you can do both by interchanging as well as converting also. You can do both for making proper alignment. So this is the extra rule which we haven't discussed. So first we need to check whether these statements are being properly aligned. So if it is been aligned, you are going ahead with all these rules. If it is not been properly aligned, you can make proper alignment by interchanging any one of the statements or by converting any one of the statements, or you can do both by interchanging or converting also. Both at a time you can apply, you can make proper alignment. Now here if you see this one, a plus I gives no conclusion, but it is not been properly aligned. Common term as the predicate of the first statement and subject of the second statement, not like that. So if you see this one, by interchanging you can make proper alignment. Now by interchanging, what it will happen? So if you send this one, some white is green. Now is it been properly aligned? Some white is green and all green is blue, right? So common term is there and it's been properly aligned. What is I plus A ma? I plus A is I. I means some white is blue. I means some white is blue. Are you getting? If it is not been properly aligned, you can make proper alignment by interchanging any one of the statements or by converting or both. So converting we are going to do in the second stage, that I already told you. So in the second stage we will learn converting. So what are all the statements are to be converted, all these things in detail we will discuss in the second stage. So very interesting one, the second stage, don't miss, and you will be having many doubts. I need to clear all your doubts. Yes, I am sure you will be having many doubts. All your doubts will be cleared in the second stage. So as of now, what we are doing, we are not converting here, we are just interchanging any one of the statements and we are making proper alignment if it can be done. So here it can be done, and I plus A is I, we are getting some white is blue is the answer. Coming to 23rd, both A statements common term as subject. Yes, I told you we do have a conclusion. Once you learn the second stage conversions, yes, we do have a conclusion, but as of now based on 6 rules we are saying no, but we do have a conclusion. I just repeat, both A statements common term as predicate, you will never get a conclusion, but both A statements common term as subject, we do have a conclusion. I just repeat, I just would like to remind you, both A statements common term as predicate, you will never get a conclusion, but both A statements common term as subject, we do have a conclusion based on 6 rules. So we will come to that one in detail after we finish the second stage. Clear? So come to the last one. No violet is indigo, all orange is violet. So E plus A is O star, but is it been properly aligned? Common term is there, is it been properly aligned? No, right? So to make proper alignment, what else we can do? By interchanging the statements, you can make proper alignment. You can send first statement to bottom or bottom statements to top. But if you see this one, common term must be predicate of the first statement and subject of the second statement, right? So now you just bring it down here. No violet is indigo. Is it been properly aligned? Yes. Is it been properly aligned? Yes. What is A plus E? E. What is E? No orange is indigo. No orange is indigo. Are you clear? So you must be clear with this. Are you clear? You must be clear with this. So whenever statements are not being properly aligned, how to make proper alignment? By interchanging any one of the statements or converting any one of the statements, you can make a proper alignment. So converting we are going to learn in the second stage. Now, as of now, hope you are clear with this. I am going to give some more problems where many problems won't be properly aligned. You need to make proper alignment by interchanging, keenly observe and put the answers. You should not get any mistake there. So already you know when proper alignment is not there, how to do it. You can make proper alignment by interchanging any one of the statements. Now can we just recap what are all the formulas? What is A plus A plus E, E, I plus A, I plus E, O, E plus A, O star, E plus I, O star. Clear? I have given from 25 to 33. So try it out without any mistake. You need to solve it. If it is not been properly aligned, what we learned, you can make proper alignment by interchanging or converting or both. So here I have given only interchanging. By interchanging the statements and not a subject and predicate of the statement. That one you remember. By interchanging any one of the statements, you can make proper alignment. Clear? So note it down, and you should not get not even a single mistake here. All 9 problems must be right. So try it out. I will come back and I will explain you in detail. Clear? Have you solved all the problems without any mistake? I hope definitely you have solved all the problems without any mistake. Anyway, we will check the answers one by one. First one, it is not been properly aligned. You can make proper alignment by interchanging any one of the statements. Bottom one top or top one bottom, either way is fine. So you will be getting proper alignment. I'm just putting bottom one on the top. So A plus A, it's been properly aligned. So predicate of the first statement, subject of the second statement, common term is there. What is A plus A, What is A plus A? A. What is the answer you will be getting? All J is M. I don't want to write the answer, you know clearly, right? So you can write it as all J is M. Next one, if you see 26, no P is Q, some Q is X. It is already been properly aligned, right? It is already been properly aligned. No need to give any explanation here. What is E plus I, O star? O star means O reverse. We need to come from back to front. So what is the answer? Some X is not P. Some X is not P. Coming to 27th one. So it is not been properly aligned. You can make proper alignment by interchanging any one of the statements. I am just putting the bottom one on the top, or you can put top one in the bottom. So makes no difference, right? So here I plus E. What is I plus E? Now it is been properly aligned. Common term is there. I plus E, we have O. What is the O? Answer, some P is not F. Some P is not F. So coming to 28. So here it looks like E plus A, but it is not been properly aligned. When it is not been properly aligned, you need to make proper alignment. So I'm just sending the bottom one to the top. Now it is been properly aligned. Common term is there. What is A plus E, A plus E is E. What is the answer you are going to get? No diamond is gold. Clear? So next one, again it is not been properly aligned. You need to make proper alignment by interchanging any one of the statements. You can send bottom to top or top to bottom. That is the reason here I sent top to bottom. You should not get any doubt, right? So sir, only you are sending bottom to top, so it won't make any difference. So now here, see that one, though it is been properly aligned. What is A plus I, What is A plus I? No conclusion, right? So go ahead with no conclusion. Next one, see that all water is river, some ocean is water. By interchanging these statements, you can make proper alignment. So now I plus A. What is I plus A, I plus A is I, means what is the answer you are going to get? Some ocean is a river. Some ocean is a river. Clear, here you see, so all water is river, some ocean is water. It looks like A plus I gives no conclusion. You must be very, very careful in the exam point of view. Don't think that it is A plus I and it is not been properly aligned. By interchanging the statements, you can make proper alignment, and it is been properly aligned. Common term is there. I plus A gives I as the answer. What is the answer? Some ocean is river. This is the area where many of them are getting confused in the examination point of view. Be careful. Here it looks like I plus A, answer is there, but there is no answer, no conclusion. Here it looks like A plus I, but answer is there, right? Be careful. If it is not been properly aligned, you can make proper alignment by interchanging any one of the statements. Coming to 31, direct statement only. I plus E is O. What is O? Some orange is not grape. Some orange is not grape. Coming to 32, so bottom one statement I am just putting on top. Now E plus I is O star. It is been properly aligned. O star means O reverse. So we need to come from back to front. Some light is not yellow is the answer. Some light is not yellow. Check with your answers too, whether you are getting all right answers or not. Okay. The last one, 33. All green is tree, no white is green. By interchanging the statements, you can make proper alignment, right? So now E plus A is O star. O star means O reverse. What is the answer? Some tree is not white. Some tree is not white. So alignment, proper alignment means there must be a common term. In addition to that one, the common term must be predicate of the first statement and subject of the second statement. Are you clear? This part. So we will see, we need to go ahead with some more examples. So with some more changes. So we will see that changes, how the statements will be, these things and all. Finally, we will go ahead with the second stage. Hope you are clear, right?